feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go.
Hey clean freaks, welcome back to my channel. So today I am giving you a throwback fall clean with me. I am going to be cleaning this console table that I have. This was in my previous home, by the way, that my family and I moved from last year, and this video was done in 2018, so it has been a long time. But I found this video in my archives and I wanted to just pull it out because it is fall, and go ahead and show you guys just a little bit what I do when it comes to decorating on my Regal Designs by Shushana channel. So I want you guys to sit back, relax, and enjoy the video and enjoy the music, and I will come back in a little bit later.
I'm trying to breathe, but the air feels just like water. You're making me weak now. What doesn't kill you makes you. Our hands touch once or twice. We should let them intertwine. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention. Looking at you, I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention. Just give me your attention. Give me your attention.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya. Won't you give me any warning? I've been thinking about you day and night and day and night.
So if you are new here to my channel, welcome. My name is Shushana and I have two channels here on YouTube. My main channel is Regal Designs by Shushana, and I do a lot of DIYs and crafts, home and seasonal decor, and some thrifting. I also do some shop with me's and haul videos, and I upload every Tuesdays and Thursdays at 12 noon on that channel. And then this is my second channel that you are watching, The Cleaning Queen. It is my cleaning channel, and I do a lot of cleaning, motivation, decluttering, and home organizing on this channel, and I upload every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 12 noon. So if you like any of the content that you see here, and if you have visited my Regal Designs by Shushana channel, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to both channels. I would love for you to double tap that bell so that you don't miss any notifications of any videos that I do upload. Also, I do have an Amazon store that I would love for you to go ahead and check out. I have tons of seasonal decors. Fall is upon us, so I have a lot of fall decor and Christmas decor and everyday home essentials. All the links will be down in the description box below that you can go ahead and visit. So I want to go ahead and thank you so much for watching this video. I know that it was short, but it's just an introduction to my fall series. Don't forget that I do have a fall challenge that is coming up on Wednesday of this week, and I will have the playlist ready for you guys. If you want to participate, you can go ahead and clean any space in your home, and don't forget to answer the questions that's down in the description box in your video if you are going to be participating. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to be unique, go inspire, and be inspired. I will see you in the next episode. Bye guys.
For you to come out and save me, hide my mess, need to untangle.